Let's use Autodesk Fusion 360 to make some very simple parts. I'm going to start with a sketch. And I'm going to sketch a rectangle. And I'm going to do this subtractively. So this rectangle has to be 2.5 by 3.5. And then I'm going to make another rectangle and cut this out. So this has to be, let's see, 1.5 by 2.5. I pick the part that I want, right click, press pull, and then I know that that has to be 2.5 in depth, and say enter. There's my part. I'm just going to make another sketch, put it on here, and cut out the first section. Use my 2-point rectangle. I'm going to make sure I lock onto that top line, and then I'm going to make it exactly 0.5 by 1.5. The only other thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I dimension from here to here. I want that to be exactly 0.5. I've forgotten that at least once before. And click on the part that I want, right click, press pull, choose it, and if I type in minus, it will automatically cut the part out. So if you take a look, you'll see it shows the right direction by when I put the minus in there. Say okay, it'll cut that right out. Put another sketch on here. I'm going to sketch my rectangle. Again, make sure I lock onto that line. And make this 0.5 by 1.5. Dimension it from one edge to be exactly 1 inch. Right click, press pull, choose the part that I want, and if you wanted, you can drag it down until you get where you want it. That's subtract the 1 inch, say okay. And our part is done. It's that easy.